Former Kenya Bureau of Standards Managing Director Charles Ongwae and 11 others have been charged with conspiracy to defraud the government of millions of shillings in revenue.
This allegedly by concealing 50.3 million shillings worth of imported goods in 7 containers and a further 6.02 million shillings of imports concealed in 9 containers.
The 12 are charged alongside 3 companies, Gendipe Enterprises, Rupai Trading Limited and Landmark Freight Services Limited.
The Kenya Revenue Authority and KEBS officials who were in court denied the charges.
However, 3 of the suspects, including Ongwae, did not appear in court to answer to the charges.
They were each released on a bond of 500,000 shillings or a cash bail of 200,000 shillings. The matter will be mentioned on the 14th of January, while the pre-trial directions will be issued on the 23rd of January.
Ongwae is, however, expected to appear in court on the 2nd of January to take plea.